At the core of Relational Capital Group's
Mhm.
business is a concept called the principle of worthy intent.
Right.
Let me finish by asking you, how has that idea impacted both your leadership and the direction that Relational Capital Group has taken?
Well, the principle of worthy intent is the guiding principle or the foundational rule of our business, and that is putting the other person's best interest ahead of our own. And we share that with all of our customers, all our clients, and we don't make a value judgment when we're sharing that with them that they don't have that. We tend to believe most human beings have other person's best interest at the forefront. The challenge is, does the other person, does the customer know you've got their best interest ahead of your own? And this is where I like to share the idea that comedians, they tend to be great observers of human behavior. And they observe our behavior, our actions, things we say, and they make it funny for us. I'm suggesting that business professionals, we don't have to be funny, but we observe the behaviors that are coming back to us. For instance, how do I know, if I were to ask you, what are some of your greatest qualities? Maybe you'll say integrity. Maybe you'll say, I keep my promises. You'll come up with a few. Then if I were to ask you, how do you know that? And if you could validate by saying, well, I've been told that I'm really good getting back to people, or I'm great with details, or I never miss a deliverable. So we suggest that we know you've got worthy intentions, but it's the other person's behavior that validates that. We've got some assessments that are based on human behavior in business. And those behaviors are, do they call me back? Will Andrew make extra meeting time for me? Does Andrew share personal or business confidences with me? And we've come up with 35 behaviors that humans exhibit in business. And those are the behaviors that we share with people to see so they can validate whether or not the customer, the colleague, whoever they're working with knows they've got good intentions towards them.